Hello, welcome to our channel. So we all know that Zotero software as a reference manager, it is a very efficient software, and as I started using this software for my reference managing, I discovered these unique and less talked about features of Zotero. So the very first one is annotations. So annotations is basically what? जब हम लोग PDF पढ़ते हैं और हम उसको highlight करते हैं, तो like we always go back to that PDF and we go back to those highlights. But Zotero provides you a feature where all those highlights can be extracted to one place. You can always extract those annotations and it will come in form of notes. Number 2. So Zotero provides you a feature of collaborating in projects within your organization and as well as outside your organization. So what other members can do is you can all co-work, and then other members can also contribute by adding the different metadata, and this can be done in one platform. Then number 3 is reference formatting. So generally क्या होता है जब हम PDF extract करते हैं, sometimes Zotero automatically does not generate its bibliography in a set format. Whatever style we have selected, a reference style we have selected, it doesn't get generated. The bibliography doesn't get auto-generated. So what you can do is, you can always go back and check your references and then correct them. Because sometimes the metadata which has to be extracted for a PDF does not get extracted. Then number 4 is my publication section. So apart from giving you a choice to create folders for unique projects, Zotero also gives you a feature of my publications. So it is an auto-generated folder in Zotero where you can store your publications, your own publications, and you won't always have to go back to internet to search your publications. You can always store it in Zotero. Number 5. So what happens is when we are making changes in a document and it is already referenced and we are making those changes in track changing mode, तो कभी कभी क्या हो जाता है, रेफरेंसेस के सीक्वेंस हिल जाते हैं. तो sometimes although there is a feature in Zotero of refresh, and Zotero automatically updates the sequence of the reference, but sometimes due to a glitch or due to an error, this doesn't happen. So you make sure that you go back to those references, you see the numbering, you see the sequence in your text, and also check the bibliography and see that it is well sequenced or not. One pro tip from my side would be that whenever you are creating a project and you are inserting some references, Zotero has a very unique feature of identifying a retracted file. Sometimes what happens, some article may be removed from the web due to any unfortunate reason. So Zotero automatically identifies it. So these were some of the unique features of Zotero. With my experience, I discovered them. I hope this will help you also. Thank you. Happy referencing.